Hey everybody, I wanted to talk about our AWS or American Way scale. We've actually had this for 7 years, and you can see it's been holding up really well. It's has its normal wear and tear on top, but this has been a great scale for us. Okay, so you can see that it's about 8 by 8 here. The footprint is about 8 by 8, so it can go on your countertop, on your office desk. And it's good for weighing anything from postage all the way up into 55 pounds. So you can weigh some packages up to 55 pounds. It's really easy to tear. So if I wanted to start my morning coffee and get my precise amount of coffee beans for my espresso, I can just put that on and tear it. And then you have the different modes. Here it has ounces to pounds, kilograms, pounds and ounces. Again, the sensitivity is from 0.01 pounds all the way up to 55 pounds, or 2 grams all the way up to 25 kilograms. So a very versatile and nice scale to use at home or in the office. And again, it's been holding up really well for us. It also has a 6-volt input if you want to power it up that way. And on the bottom has these nice no scuff footers. And then you can see that it takes 2 AA batteries to power it, which last a long time. So if you're looking for a no-nonsense, durable scale to use for shipping, packages, and weighing your mail, I would recommend this one. We've been very happy with this. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.